Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now for today's video, I'm actually gassed for this video. I literally drove home for this product that I've just been sent out, which is for my baby out there. Don't know if you guys can see that massive box. This one, I've honestly wanted one of these for so long, and I'm so happy to be able to do a video on it. So this company called SEALEY sent out this pressure washer, PWTF 22000. You can use this for cleaning cars, you can use this for cleaning patios and stuff. I think this comes with a shampoo connector where you put the stuff to clean the car with, and then it makes foam pour. So yeah, let's quickly whack this open and then we can try it. Alright, so I'm really quickly going to do a quick unboxing because I unbox loads of stuff when I have them. So I'm going to get the stuff out of the box basically. Oh, okay, does that not just look absolutely sexy? We've got things like this, which obviously we can put the car shampoo in and absolutely make it rain. You got compartments for the two nozzles. So you've got all the modes, you've got off, you've got easy soft, which is for cleaning cars, and you've got power. Jeez. So honestly, it's just gonna make it so much nicer and more fun to clean a car. So it is the next day and I am fucking gassed. I don't know if you guys can see how gassed I am, but we are gonna be basically trying out the pressure washer today. We didn't try it yesterday because it was raining. So now I know how to actually set the whole thing up, so it's gonna be a bit of an easier process for you lot to watch. So basically I'm doing this step by step on my GoPro because it's quite hard to film. This little port right here is where the water goes in, so you need a garden hose. This is the little adapter to go into there, it comes with it. And then one of this side's attached to the bottom here. And then this is where the water will come up to the gun bit. So let's attach the gun now. This is the bit that makes you feel like a boss, right? Look at this. Oh! Really quickly, there's two attachments. There's this one, and then there's this one, which is for the car wash. We're going to quickly attach this one just to show you guys. Okay, so it also comes with a plug. You can plug that in. So this is the kind of attachment you want on the garden hose. Let's have a look. And you can do like that. Everyone's probably got one of these. I thought I didn't, but oh shit. Next thing you want to do is turn on the hose, and then turn on the plug. And you're basically good. And then now, all you need to do is turn it on. Firstly, we'll drain the water, make sure there's no air bubbles. It's fucking lit, man. This is the attachment for the car soap, and this is what is going to make this car literally turn into porn. Honestly, I have actually bought some snow foam. Boom. Yeah, let's quickly fill this up. We'll get this going. Alright, so the pressure washer is now all connected up. We actually have the hose going from the back garden through the house to here because my gate is actually broke. We've got the foam attachment here. But we're going to try out the just normal one first. I got it all tied up. Oh shit. Oh, oh shit. Quickly, while editing this, I don't really talk that much. I'm like a kid in a candy store because I'm so excited about this thing. So I barely even talk in this whole like washing the car bit. So I'm here. With the jet wash, you can obviously change the spray pattern. So you can change it to like this thin, where it will rip somebody a new arsehole if you aim it at them, or you can spray it like literally like a blade. Here's new arsehole mode, and here's fan mode. Here's how we connect the phone. Push it in. Click it. So obviously, as you can see in this clip, it's not very thick foam, and I think I know the reason behind that. I have actually ordered this, which is a foam cannon. I can't actually put it on the pressure washer because it requires an adapter to go onto my one. That will be a future video for you guys. So hopefully, you guys look forward to that. Alright, so I've left it on for like 5 minutes. Now we're going to spray it off with the jet wash. Right, so now that we've done that, take that off. Like that. So here's the car clean with the jet wash. Obviously, if you come closer, you don't clean it 100%, but you wouldn't really expect that because you're not even touching it. There's dirt there. Okay, yep, I've fucking done it again. Can you go turn off the tap? Oh my life. Kill me. You can't fucking turn it off. Okay, so unfortunately, that is obviously like coming to the end of the car clean. We've obviously cleaned the car like I showed you guys. What you're meant to do is you're meant to pressure wash it like this, put the soap on, and then I mean, sorry to any fucking detailers out there, calm your tits down, put soap on it, then use like a wash mitt to obviously get all the other dirt off, and then spray it off. But just using the pressure wash, honestly, it's not even, it's quite a good clean, to be fair. It's not 100% clean like I said, but who would really expect that from just a touchless wash? So obviously the only thing that I'm annoyed about for you guys basically is that you guys can't see the foam, the proper foam in today's video. I have actually got a foam cannon, and I should have a foam cannon adapter come in basically tomorrow. So yeah, here is the jet wash. Honestly, this is so sick. Honestly, never would I have expected a company such as SEALEY to send me out a product this like crazy. If you guys want to check out SEALEY, they have cheaper alternatives. They have, so this is the detergent bottle, I think it's called. Not sure if this is actually meant to spray out loads and loads of foam. That is why I'm gonna get, that's why I've got a foam cannon now, and then I just wait for the adapter to come. I'll make a full dedicated video to it, so if you guys want to watch that, subscribe if you're new. That was basically a video of me, my first time ever using like portable jet wash basically. Super powerful. It's like the ones that you rent at the like car wash. That is the end of today's video. I really quickly want to take the end of the video just to say thank you guys for all your support. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the support on the channel. I'm probably really dark right now. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see your faces in my next video.
I know I'm uncontrollable. When they roll with me,